Welcome back to the new age of AI. This is my first AI generated video for this channel. Teapot 42. Welcome to my channel Teapot 42, where delicious meets healthy. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to share with you my passion for cooking and creating recipes that nourish both the body and the soul. Here, we celebrate real food, using whole, unprocessed ingredients to create meals that are not only satisfying but also good for you. Whether you're looking for gluten-free, dairy-free, or vegan options, I have something for everyone. Join me on this culinary journey as we explore new flavors and ingredients, and learn how to cook healthy meals that are both easy and delicious. Together, we'll discover how to make healthy eating a lifestyle, not a chore. Now, let's dive into some new recipes for health and wellness. Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. This stir-fry is packed with fiber and protein, making it a perfect option for a quick and healthy weeknight meal. Simply sauté your favorite vegetables in a wok or skillet, add cooked quinoa in a homemade stir-fry sauce, and voila! Dinner is served. Roasted sweet potato and chickpea salad. This salad is a colorful and satisfying meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Roast sweet potatoes and chickpeas until crispy, then toss with mixed greens, feta cheese, and a homemade vinaigrette. Cauliflower fried rice. This healthier version of fried rice is packed with vegetables and flavor, but without the added calories and carbs. Simply pulse cauliflower in a food processor until it resembles rice, then sauté with your favorite veggies, protein, and a homemade sauce. Green smoothie bowl. This smoothie bowl is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Blend frozen bananas, spinach, almond milk, and protein powder until smooth, then top with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. Grilled salmon with mango salsa. This dish is a healthy and flavorful way to get your omega-3s in. Grill a fresh piece of salmon and top with homemade mango salsa for a tropical twist. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables or a quinoa salad. I hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and try new healthy dishes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Teapot 42, for more delicious and nutritious recipes.
Welcome to my food channel, where delicious meets healthy. I'm thrilled to share with you my passion for cooking.